na je say mu nyina mo kasa nyina mo ye na mo ana mo central market no mo na no mo kasa yi sa ojo
ye Sir John
I Mike mi hu na chepa
so on hwe me ebi asisa o unu akwa ho chiri ma
ebre ni ho na de wo de ananu asem nti nya tuo na o chairman akwasi abrochire on frame mpo na ya mami starting free for otu mami starting free ho
oh baby
otu mami starting free ho enra ko jan ye tise nkrofo bontwene mu na de na asi kroma ye nkwati ase adwadifo wo Kumasi se wo ma dwalai pa mo dwalai e di asem a mo se sei mo kama asem
Sir John ya me achi for na for no pay na yewura so ye buye mu asema no ye shira na no pay Sir John ni we nya tintin tietia ye nsema kan letter tintin no ensem mienu pe on se ye the project ba omamu a project aban dia ba omamu a me mani aso Kejetia Phase I Phase II Central Market and Phase III koko sika kura bank oje ye ka
koko sika
na sha project we no mahama yewura mahama de ba no oye ne say premium no aye wi etua ma yebetua premium no etua no etua edwane nyina ho ka nti busia no koje ye no yentua premium no nwie no ne edwane busia no yetua ka wie
Phase I
no okay nti sa ade na oye no ye ade ya eye me fan say eye mehu bi da tinka plan na de na ye
okay
tinka Phase I sika no ebewie Phase II Phase II sika ye wie ne ko wie Phase III a sika ko na betima ko another region so asa ko ebibi foforo that's it's a good plan
papa
na ye na yenim ye no edu ni emamu sei na omo ye so sika no ye tua to Fidelity escrow account and ya Santo Rural Bank to obi antimi finance enkoka
okay
timpanifo so so sika di ho enti abadada no gu ye to te ye no na se na musika na da ha wo
ya ka che musika na da ho
omo ni ya te sika na da ho
no aditi mo matia na ya ka kire mo
ya ka che sika na da ho ye nte ya ka se di pa na ko to ho
se sika no mutua
premium no
premium yes yo mo Kejetia mo ntua nwi ebi de da so de ka
machida me dem ni say 95% no matua wie
95% na wonim so matua
o mo da so de ka nya me masem ya ban asem me anyam nam de store no ma wo mo
ba wonim say ebi sika no bi da ho
sika wo ho say sika no me fan say project ya kai aka be 20% complete ni awie
za ko wa che
Sir John
Phase II no aka be
20% ede na aka ene ma je agriculture center even so my markings nya kura wie markings osoro nyina ya market wie aka say omo twitwa ayinim no omo sese eno anu Sir John
we say na tie ana
say na tie na ne ma nyina inside ebi gugum na mo
so be fittings no say
eno anu na ko ma wie enti ya company for say sika no mo gije ye no adwuma no say ye wie ya ebe ye wie na ka say midi sika ho de ya say mani bebre ti say sika na ho no say sika
mo kire mpanimfo kwan
ya twom kwa so omu refi ya twom kwa be kwan no da omu ko fa say sika be dwan ba ya no obi ani asem
na the contractor no mo nya contractor no di nkomo se mo busan say di ntia wa free
na contractor be na twa ne ka ho nya adwuma
say bia na mfidie
mfidie pake kwa culture center mfidie pake ya pake kwa culture center Sir John na tie de dia ne say sabani refi a we mahama project minti ka say we o say Phase I Phase II Phase III sabani ba be kuro bi so de dia me de menim ba me di wona se to ti unim ehihye ni kyen obi a na won say government project am people for ba mo o man for mo say o man 30 even ayi wo ho ye Central Market it's a plan no it's excellent na kokko sika ye kwaje ye ka na timi koji sika wetimi ye project na ma edemfa so bre ya Sir John say na anka sempa ti e champion for so mu rafi a ye tro me bi sika nda eda Fidelity abana makwan na mu ko sika na wi adwuma na mai yo bi adwuma e wura mahama ba e no objede ni bi ani asem plan na the buy no is excellent plan Sir John na nyina mo aye na fa so mdwemra
ntimo asem ani
ya sem bini sika wan so ye management no
management by now phase I yenwie
ye we the same management and e run dwane mienu
is that the plan
yeah a plan no the same administration and a running second phase. Now, young Tana Homa, the Didi Womi, and family.
Many idea, most more prayer.
Man, boss, America, what I said to you about Cafe.
Idea, ye,
Sir John,
it's Kamukra, Kamukasi, and you,
Sir John, make a once a month. What I will find once a month, go 3,000. Now, you remember how much you about 3,000.
Assembly, Ecofa, Nano, or Sisicano. Oh, dear, once a day.
So, it's a management and also, I'll say, we are contract, not just say you are a private person in vessel. Contract in a war, you are and you can say, KME. KME no floating says at home.
I say KME, a board, formation.
Oh, says even as I had money now. KME or floating says at home. And just say, yeah.
Oh, this is something I mean him.
Ah, you. Once I didn't know. Any panel say, oh, one, and some baby to be a P. KME so floating says to Tony. Don't. Now, KME so the end in ye. Simply,
you're confusing me.
Busa was prepared Busano.
Oh no, it's not what the whole new money Busam. At least it should be a credible and reliable documenter. A best supported the working. Maybe any park as Busa, maybe an document. Okay. Anyway, go there once. A honor, maybe later we'll look at that and
if I say abandon some management in my. You say
na management say obia interim
Sir John me pacho
for adwuma nshom nsa so mo ntoa so nye interim nti mo ka say
interim no better on fie na interim da so to fie na better interim no da so to fie na
to a champion
interim bia ni ba bia wa o ti ase e ma o probation when you probation dia you say busumi sia o pa ko ne banko interim Ghana influence no da so te ho so no nti e be sra ban say e say o say wi adwanda private company no hweso you hu say the host tie e na be di KM nsem say hu say host tie ti ensem yenu we die ye sra ban so onya maye nti say kana say kan bi say the fidelity to ma contract no kwa no ko
the money is there is money available. Nti mo kira ban say so onye sika
ya chebe sika
ebi da ho na sika na asem ni ho de
asem bia ni ho abaya di anke beka ena Bank of Ghana na ka say ono kwa odena kusum da bi ena masam si we nyina yewura mahama na yeto ho so on pass munti ya fa nkoto private account sum escrow account na du say pa ni asa ko sika na ba yewura wonim adwuma nim say nyina ya say yewura mahama
na sem wade am kanya minim say bia mo ma okay.
Why?
Mama, pennyfo aso ata.
Panyini be ya.
Oh, you say cream pennyfo.
Panyini bo panyini be dia betimi.
Bia we the regional minister cry. I mean, regional minister would do because came there how the way there this level cry nyoma year. Mama minister this some information ya mo can say. E bia minister cry bia communication dey man say scanning ho. Nti mo motima establish sika da ho dia. Ada na mo ma minister.
Ye kan ya ban beti.
Mo penisi
ye penisi o ko minister wa politician dada na abeka asem dada na
and someone try e bia we different from
politicians yey e24 once obi kwasa sare na niti a wo se won ti asem ase kwasa ebuo so on ya me kire no e kwasa baza e ko bia ho e na asem na ye ka no ye ne abusa panyin na enya abusa panyin sisi gani wase me ko abusa kra chewo.
I am okay. So for the KM shares, no, say the information I'm getting contradicts. In fact, they're different from the working.
Okay.
Into to see I into me in Kenya also said the workano. You be dear to say no crazy KM. Are floating the shares. Say what the shares are a ton of shares. No, that one CII. I can tell you say and you know correct.
Okay.
But if we'll still do follow-ups and see how, because I understand say KM that's why 100% shares a woman or that's why Nadia. Michael,
Sir John,
now the saying